Hi, I'm continuing to fix some bugs like the bug I mentioned last time, but there are some subtle situations like this one, for example, in which the game tried to connect this exit with this entry, but couldn't do it. So I'm analyzing a possible and this tried to connect with this, but it was not possible. But the weird thing is that here the impossibility seems to be this corridor, but it was previous to that, because the game currently tries to connect by rows. This connection was attempted before than this one. So I think these double moats, I will remove this semantic because this is causing some problem. So we will remove the distance from here, and we will remove this function here so we can see more clearly what happens. Obviously there will be more disconnects than before, I think. Yeah, like this one, for example. This one is reasonable because this point is blocked, and let me search. This one is also reasonable because this connection is blocking this entry, or this exit rather. So I will try this solution. I will add moats first for all the let me capture an image so I can what I will do, I will first add a continuous mode around all the level. So in fact all the levels, and when I want to connect this level with another, we will remove, for example, if we choose this exit, we will remove the necessary modes from this. This situation is a bit tricky, I think. This could be problematic, I think. Although if I remove all the surrounding modes, yeah, it should suffice. Yeah, suppose we want to connect this one, then we will remove this one and this one, and in the other level we will remove the modes around the entry. Yeah, I think it related to the exit to the entry. So let's try this. Let's use again 10 by 10, and in this section, yeah, we will mark or add modes. Let's see, connect. This should be a global variable. Let's put it here. It's related to the A-star algorithm, so I will put it here. We will add the basically we can use this function that is already there. This is global now, so it's not needed here. Let me see. W is an vector 3i, So we must now obviously let's see, let's add the markers here only to be sure that this is working. Obviously these moats will make that my nemesis as always, because this is this is local L dot global pos. It's always yeah, this is interfering with the previous algorithm. So let's use only one level, so we don't connect it. This is why are we adding a double coating? I'm really dumb. This is I was adding this is very funny. Obviously we need this. I was okay, now it is correct. Yeah, we are adding a moat only around only once around the walls. Nice. Now let's remove this because it's too noisy. So I think this if we do more than one level, wow, this is we resurrected the remove moat function. So when we connect levels, we first choose the pedestal, we compute the begin and the end. Okay, let's see. Now, before trying to calculate the path, we should remove the moat from the begin 3D. This is correct, but the end 3D here is not the point we need. We need the level 2 dot door point. Yeah, and this is local, I think. Yeah, this is local. Okay, now it should work, but let's see. Yeah, this is because of the order in which we add the moats. Yeah, we should do this after, because we are setting all the legitimate walls here, and then we want to add the moats. Okay, this, yeah, we are not connecting. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Wow, this is weird. Why? Okay, there are more connections than before. I think there are all the connections, but we are not. Let's see. Are they valid? Why are we not? Let's check first if we are really adding the logic walls. Okay, there are logic walls. Yeah, logic walls are correct, but for some reason, let's try, for example, this one. If we go, yeah, there are walls here, but for some reason the algorithm is not adding them to the visual walls. This is a bit disconcerting. Why this level begins? This is interesting. The bridge here act like a dispenser, which is what I was wishing from the start. Okay, now how do we reach this one? Nice. I love it. I love that there are these situations are appearing in the generator. It's very interesting. Obviously, this is a very simple case, but but it's very interesting. Okay, let's return to this question. As we said, this case was exactly this. The removed walls were these ones, no? But for some reason, perhaps we are still we have moats here. We can compare directly the images. So why is this? Now the situation is interesting here. Let's see. We have, let's compare. This is the position. Okay. Now we are here, and there are solid walls, logic walls here and here and here, no? As we needed, but they are not being added because they were the walls that are not present are the ones that were moats. Obviously, we should remove the moats in another stage after we calculated all the paths, because yeah, we will have to think about this. Yeah, for now I will leave it at that. Now the paths, the logic paths are correct, but we are missing some walls. But it's an interesting situation for sure. But yeah, it's progress. I will fix this later. For now, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have comments or questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video and the channel with people that could enjoy this sort of thing. Thanks.